Hey friends! In this video I will share a tutorial on how to fix an error in the TikTok Live Studio application. I did this tutorial on my computer Windows 10. I will show you how to fix it slowly so that you all can easily understand. Watch this video in full and never skip it so you don't miss any steps. Here I show that my TikTok Live Studio cannot be opened, and a notification like this appears. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process. Okay. Now let's go straight to the tutorial. The first step you have to do is download the software you need, namely Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 Redistributable, x64.14.36.32532, and everyone can find the download link in the comments column because I have put it. The next step is install the software that you downloaded and make sure the process is complete and no errors occur. Next step. After the installation process is complete, please reload your device. When your device has reloaded, open the TikTok Live Studio application and see the results. If this tutorial doesn't work and you are still confused, please ask in the comments column if this tutorial works. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share so that I will be more enthusiastic about making other video tutorials. Thank you for watching.